In this video, we're going to be comparing Shipt versus Instacart versus DoorDash, which delivery app pays the most in 2025. If you're watching this, chances are you've thought about signing up for a delivery app, but you don't want to waste time on the wrong one. And I get it. You don't want to test 3 different apps for weeks just to find out which one actually pays. You want to know where you'll earn the most for your time. I'm Erin, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, where we break down side hustles and simple systems that actually work. And in this video, I'll also show you how to track your pay with Notion so you can see your real earnings instead of guessing. So why compare these 3? There are dozens of gig apps out there, so why focus on these 3? Because DoorDash, Instacart, and Shipt represent the 3 main ways to earn in delivery. DoorDash is about quick food runs. Instacart is about grocery shopping and efficiency. Shipt is about customer service and repeat relationships. So the real question isn't which app pays the most overall. It's which one fits the way you like to work. Let's break them down super simply. DoorDash is a food delivery. Customers order from restaurants, you pick it up and drop it off. Trips are short and pay stacks up by volume. Instacart is grocery delivery. Customers send you a shopping list, you go in store, shop it, and deliver. Large baskets equal more pay, but more time as well. Shipt is also grocery, but it's built more on customer service. Clear communication and fast substitutions often lead to repeat customers and better tips. So think of it this way. DoorDash equals speed, Instacart equals shopping skill, and Shipt equals service. How pay works. Here's how pay breaks down on each one. On DoorDash, you're paid per order, base pay, sometimes promotions, plus 100% of your tips. The skill is filtering. Short trips with solid pay per mile usually beats long drives with lower tips. On Instacart, you're paid per batch plus tips. Bigger baskets can spike your pay, but only if you're fast in aisles and good at messaging. On Shipt, you'll see estimated pay up front plus tips. The app rewards shoppers who are quick with substitutions and deliver early in the window. Verdict is DoorDash is volume, Instacart is efficiency, and Shipt is consistency and communication. Matching apps to your strengths. Here's where it gets interesting. The best apps depend on you. If you hate waiting in stores and just want to keep it moving, DoorDash usually feels best. If you're fast at shopping and know your local stores and don't mind sending a quick message, Instacart can edge ahead. If you're calm and organized and you like repeat customers, Shipt often rewards you with stronger tips and loyalty. So instead of asking which app is best overall, ask which one fits my strengths. When each pays best. Now let's talk about when each app really shines, because timing and setting can make or break your hourly rate. So take DoorDash first. It's all about the meal rush. Think around lunch around 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. and dinner from about 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Picture a Friday night downtown where everyone's ordering at once. If you park near a cluster of busy restaurants with easy parking, you can snag back-to-back orders and easily double what you'd make during a slow mid-afternoon shift. Next up, Instacart. The sweet spot is those medium to large basket at stores you know like the back of your hand. For example, Saturday morning at your favorite big box grocery store where you can zip through the aisles without thinking, you might knock out a $40 or $50 shop in the time it usually takes to do a couple of small ones. That's where efficiency really plays. And then there's Shipt. This one rewards relationships. It pays best when you build repeat customers and show up early. Imagine a family that requests you every Sunday for their weekly groceries. You arrive on time or even a little early, and over time you'll see bigger tips and a steady, predictable paycheck. A 5-day test to find your winner. The fastest way to stop guessing is to run a short test. Day 1, DoorDash at lunch. Day 2, DoorDash at dinner. Day 3, 2 Instacart batches at stores you know. Day 4, 2 Shipt orders with clear windows. Day 5, repeat your best session on any app. Track total pay, miles, hours, and how stressful it felt. The winner is the app with the best hourly pay and sensible pay per mile, but also the one that felt calm enough to repeat. Smart rules that work everywhere. Short trips with solid tips usually win over long, mysterious drives. Skip restaurants or stores that always slow you down. Stick to stores you know. That's where you can move the fastest. You also want to keep customer messages short and polite. These little rules add up. They turn random gigs into reliable income. A weekly rhythm you can repeat once you've done your 5-day test. Pick 2 peak windows that fits your life, usually 1 lunch and 1 dinner. Lead with the app that won your test. Keep a second app open for backup. Stay in one tight zone to cut dead miles. At the end of each week, look at your Notion tracker. Drop the hours that underperformed and double down on what worked. Recap and final verdict. Let's recap. DoorDash equals volume and filtering short trips. Instacart is efficiency in the aisles. Shipt is consistency and repeat customers. The highest paying app isn't universal. It's the one that matches your strengths, your city, and your schedule. Your 5-day test will tell you exactly which that is. Closing. That's the full breakdown of Shipt versus Instacart versus DoorDash in 2025. The link for Notion is in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you use it, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps us keep creating more free content like this. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe so the next step-by-step breakdown finds you. And drop a comment with your city and which app wins your test. I'd love to see your results. I'm Erin with Side Hustle Mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.